Hi, welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to unban your OmeTV account. If your OmeTV account has been banned, follow these steps to find the available options. First, open the OmeTV app on your Android phone. If your account is banned, you'll usually see a message explaining that your access has been restricted. Read the ban message carefully. In some cases, the app may show the reason for the ban or the remaining ban duration. If your ban is temporary, you'll need to wait until the ban period ends before you can use the app again. If you believe your account was banned by mistake, tap the Appeal, Support, or Contact Us option if it is available, and submit your request politely. Explain your situation and provide any information requested. If there is no appeal option in the app, visit the official OmeTV support page and contact their support team with your account details. Avoid creating multiple new accounts or using unofficial tools to bypass the ban, as this may violate OmeTV's policies and could result in further restrictions. Once your ban is removed, make sure to follow OmeTV's community guidelines to help avoid future bans. That's it. You've learned the official ways to deal with a banned OmeTV account. This video is made for educational purposes only. The information shared is based on publicly available sources and the app's available support options. Ban decisions and appeals are handled by OmeTV, and there is no guaranteed method to remove a ban. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel for more Android tips, app tutorials, and tech guides. See you in the next video.